The dollar to naira exchange rate now is not smiling. This is the lowest naira crash I've seen in my lifetime, and I don't think it's changing anytime soon. So, the best bet for you would be to start earning in dollars. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 6 legitimate ways to earn in dollars from the comfort of your home without stress. So if you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Chidi, and on this channel, I share possible ways to make money online. So if you like what you see, all you want to do is to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also ring your notification bell on so that YouTube notifies you whenever I drop valuable videos like this one that you're about to watch. So thank you for stopping by. So if you're watching this video with a mindset that dollars will fall to you without you put in the work, then I advise you click the next video, because in this video, in as much you're going to earn in dollars, you will put in the work, a lot of work. So without further ado, let's jump right into the 6 ways that you can earn in dollars from any part of the world in this year 2024. Number 1 is blogging. If you have a passion for writing and you want to share it with people, then blogging is an excellent idea for you. To get started with blogging is super easy. All you need is a domain to host your blog, like ionos.com, hostinga.com, bluehost.com as well. These platforms I just mentioned are good platforms to host your blog. Just make sure you do your research. Your niche can be in fashion, beauty, travel, just name it. The options are endless. Just make sure you write valuable content that engage your readers. And with consistency, you can start earning in dollars within the space of 2 to 3 months of starting your blog. And number 2 is affiliate marketing. This is the easiest way for anyone to start making money in dollars from the comfort of their home because of the zero investment involved. You don't need to invest anything when it comes to affiliate marketing, but you can sure make a lot of money from it. All you need to do is to start promoting this product via your existing social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and the likes. And once anyone clicks on your customized link to purchase a product from that website, you earn some dollars in return. So sites like AliExpress, Amazon, ClickBank, they offer good deals with affiliate marketing, and you're sure going to cash out. I know someone who earned $3,000 to $5,000 from affiliate marketing just from the comfort of their home. All they do is to get something from the website and start promoting it on their social media platforms, and they give their unbiased review about that product, and people buy using their link, and they in return earn some dollars from that website. So affiliate marketing is an untapped market if you ask me, because not a lot of people are into it, and it's very, very lucrative. No investment required. Is just amazing. And the third way to start earning in dollars is to become a visual assistant. This is just like a personal assistant, but as the name implies, it is done virtually. On an average, you can earn between $5 to $25 per hour with visual assistant job. So you can sign up for VA gigs with Fiverr.com. So it is very easy and seamless to sign up on Fiverr and start earning in dollars. I love that platform because for sure you're cashing out in dollars. You'll be the one to cash your money and change your money to naira. And you know now the dollar to naira rate is around $1 to 1,500. So $100 will be equal to 150k. That's a lot of money if you ask me. Guru.com is also a great platform that you can sign up for VA gigs. Upwork.com is also a very good one in that regard. Once you build a good reputation, you get more referrals, which is equal to more dollars and more money. One thing I love about those VA gigs is how flexible it is. You can be in your bedroom, sipping your juice, and you are still earning. That's how flexible and easy it is. So do more research on VA gigs if it is something that caught your attention. And number 4 is Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I love this one so much because this is what I've been doing for quite some time now. And I can tell you for sure that Bitcoin or cryptocurrency is just here to stay. This year, 2024, I don't think there's anyone who can argue that cryptocurrency is here to stay, though it's a bit more volatile than the aforementioned ideas I just shared. But like the saying goes, that never was anything great achieved without danger. But then you can still make money on the crypto space without putting your money at risk, which is a strategy that I use in making money from the crypto space. I made a video in this channel that explains all of this strategy that you can put in place so that your money will not be at risk. So you can go check it out. I'll be putting the link right in the description so you can access it easily. You can also do your research before you hop on this, but trust me, it is a very lucrative way to earn in dollars. While on it, you can also research on the best exchange and tools you can use to get started. One of the best crypto exchange I love most is Binance. Binance is a great crypto platform. Trust me, this is a very sure way to cash out in dollars from anywhere across the globe in this year 2024. And number 5 is online courses. Selling courses online, I would say, is an untapped and great way to earn money in dollars in this year 2024 from anywhere across the world. If you have the skill that people want to learn, why not monetize it? Selling courses online allows you to leverage on your expertise and earn passive income in dollars. Put an online course together and sell on platforms like seller.com, udemy.com, and also teachable.com. It is very easy to sign up on those platforms and they are very reputable platforms that you can sell those courses. But then you can also market these courses on your platforms, your social media platforms like Facebook. The last course I bought online was actually from Facebook. All you just have to do is to make sure you are giving value to the people that will be buying this course. So you can get recommendation from people across the globe, even while you are based in your location. Yes, your money go plenty. That's what we actually want in this year 2024. And the last idea I'll be sharing on how to earn money in dollars from the comfort of your home is creating a YouTube channel. This is a no-brainer. In 2024, you just have to be a YouTuber. Yes, I know you are the shy type, you are an extreme introvert, but then there are channels on YouTube that nobody knows who the creator is. They don't show their face at all. They just show what it is they want to share and they are still cashing out. The investment required to starting a YouTube channel is very, very minimal. You don't need an expensive gadget to get started. All you need is your phone and an internet connection. You can pick any niche you find interest in. YouTube.com has a daily visit of approximately 122 million viewers. So trust me when I say your target audience will definitely find you. Consistency is very paramount. One good thing about YouTube is that you're not just limited to earning from the content you're creating. You can also earn from brands and sponsored ads. They will reach out to you for sponsorship. So the benefits are a lot with earning on YouTube. All you just need is to be consistent and give valuable content to your viewers. I made a video on my channel that talks about creating content on YouTube. You can go check it out. That video will help you choose the right niche and also show you how you can leverage on AI. That's if you do not want to show your face on the camera. So guys, that is the 6th legitimate way you can earn money in dollars from anywhere across the globe. If you find this video helpful and valuable, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do hit the subscribe button and share this video to as many as possible, because you might be helping someone get something started online. So guys, until my next video,